Hi there, welcome to Avicii, a digital marketplace to buy experts' digital products and also provides instant access to a global network of remote freelancers. Avicii connects people, businesses, and entrepreneurs to experts to help them get their online job done. Welcome to the leading digital marketplace for industry creators. I'm Sarah, by the way. What do you need?
Browse through the marketplace and order a work that interests you. Click the Contact Freelancer button on the Freelancer's product page. Provide details about your project, including any relevant files or specific requirement from you, in the requirement form. Place your order with guaranteed delivery. The professional freelancer will receive your request, start and finish your work immediately. Our delivery is fast and straight to your inbox, and with easy refund if needed. Our creators are the best in the industry. Avicii Marketplace.
Here in Avicii, our customers are our first priority. Avicii offers a full money-back guarantee for clients who are dissatisfied with an order delivered by a pro freelancer. This guarantee covers every order from a featured freelancer and sourcing services. We want to make sure you are pleased with our services. Our license carries weight with the right to use product commercially and globally.
Avicii freelancers are goal-oriented, flexible, comprehensive, and well-coordinated, allowing for continuous improvement for a professionally finished job that speaks for its purpose. We take our clients' and customers' jobs serious. It's our watchword.
Feel free, join the millions of people, business and enterprises that uses our services here at Avicii. Avicii Digital Service empowers businesses and drive conversions.
Avicii freelancers also offer video sections depending on customer's choice and the service involved. Avicii freelancers are active professionals, easy to deal with, and precise regardless of the complexity of the job offered. However, Avicii Digital Marketplace is affordable for the standard of services rendered.
Avicii freelancers are independent contractor that plan and strategize before getting a job done. They earn wages on a per job or per task basis, typically for short-term work.
Here in Avicii, we sell the best image resolution depends on its intended use. For high-quality prints, while for web or screen display, and for very detailed graphics. We sell for any purpose use.
Don't forget our pro themes and templates, graphics templates, video templates, web templates, infographics from renowned creators, WooCommerce, WordPress, among others.
Here in Avicii, we also offer other services like bulk email marketing, AI services, cloud storage, text-to-speech, retail store, among others.
Explore, find, and buy. Connect with our freelancer anywhere globally. Take advantage of the ongoing 50% off for affordable pro products from our certified authors. Shop for quality. Shop for innovation with Avicii Digital Marketplace. Until next Monday, have a good one.